And this is the dominating puppy. Look at her, guys. She doesn't just show her dominance in mounting, but look, she's putting her body over Capone. She's like, listen, look, she's like, these are my guys. I'm going to own both of them. She does the same thing to Tonka. She puts her body over his head.
Yeah, my face. Capone's like, I'm just trying to breathe here. It's hot, man.
Monroe, what are you wearing? You're hilarious. She says, Mom, I got all these guys. I'm a happy girl right now. She says, I'm a happy girl. I'm bossing them around. That's too funny. Is your brother here? You gonna love on your brother? Oh my word, she's a mess. Okay, listen, I've had Sammys before, and they did not collect the dirt the way she does.
Oh, I know, I could tell.
Yeah, she collects dirt like no other dog I've ever seen. Remember Shiloh, and then they could get all wet and muddy, but it would fall off of them. Yeah. Can you pull that thing out from her neck? She's got two of them. I've never had a dog where the dirt clung to them the way it does to her. She's, oh, this is my brother, everybody. Meet my big brother, Nicholas. They already know who he is. Hi, pretty girl. Like, the guys are like, okay, we're wet. Monroe's like, no, let's play. I'm not done. So cute. There it is, right there. See how she stands over him like that? Remember Legend used to do that to Shiloh?
Yeah.
Remember she would lay down and he would put all four legs over the top of her and stand over the top of her? Yeah. Oh my gosh, I just remember that.
What we got in here, Monroe, huh?
Yeah, she says, let's check it out. Let's see what we can find. This is my child right here. See? He's surrounded by puppies like his mommy.
Nice and cold right here.
Yeah. I know. I really want to buy her a freezer where she can climb into it.
Lemon meringue pie over.
Oh, yeah.
You guys can't have chocolate. I would give you some of that. That's good for you. She's a trip.
She is a trip.